Freestyle. Freestyle is the most efficient and fastest stroke, involving alternating arms movements with a flutter kick, allowing for flexible breathing pattern. Backstroke. Backstroke is swing on the back with arms extending alternatively, while maintaining a streamlined body position, providing easy breathing access.
Breaststroke, characterized by a frog, leg kicks where legs are spread wide and brought together, with arms moving simultaneously in a falling motion. Butterfly, a demanding stroke with a powerful and demanding arm movements coordinate with a dolphin kick, requires strong upper body strength.